The first default tab is required to set up the landing page to be compatible with the plugin. Let's say you want to create a website with a paid campaign targeting airport transportation services in a variety of cities around the world. Instead of building out all the individual landing pages for each city and service, you would start with a base landing page like this. Then, set up your keywords, which can be imported in bulk or entered manually. Just pick the elements from the landing page and insert them in keyword set fields. Copy the corresponding shortcode and replace with the element on the page or post backend. While using the image element, you have to insert only the image URL in the keyword set field. After creating the default keyword set, please choose the default keyword set from the given list on the page or post backend. This is for direct traffic to the landing page with no URL parameters. You can add as many keywords and elements you want to create an unlimited number of customized and keyword-optimized landing pages. We provide shortcodes that allow you to easily incorporate any of these values dynamically into your landing pages directly. Using just the first default tab, we allow you to export these location URLs if you're just looking to create basic dynamic landing pages. Do you want premium support? Or one-on-one consultation call to set up WPDKI Pro on your website? Visit WPDKI.com. Go to Contact section. To request premium support, submit the form with this option.